Hi everyone, how are you? This time I am here because I want to share with you some information about my online workshops, and some of you have been asking me about this, and so I decided to do this video. First of all, I want to talk to you about the Flower Goddesses workshop, and this is a 6 lessons workshop. They are all step by step, and they are all very easy to understand in my school English, of course. And I'm going to show you there how to work using acrylic inks and using acrylics and embellishing with stamps and so on. And as I said before, these are 6 lessons: the blue goddess, Gaia, some extra goodies, of course, and a green fairy too, and the geisha goddess, and a spring goddess, and violet. This is a beautiful goddess with long blonde hairs, and we are going to paint all of this together step by step, and you will get as well templates, so in case you are not very good at drawing, no problem at all. You will get from me the templates so you can concentrate more on the painting and coloring of these beautiful dolls. And as you can see, the videos are high quality, so you are going to be able to see everything from the top, every single brush stroke. You're going to be able to see everything. And yes, I just want to recommend you to take this if you are into beautiful goddesses painting and into watercolor and yes, acrylic inks, mixed media, because this is all about watercolors, and this technique is just beautiful for creating this kind of whimsical fairies and goddesses, and I just love it. This is something I love to use a lot in my artwork, and especially because of the backgrounds. We start by doing a very beautiful, nice background, a messy background, and out of this we are going to create the painting on it. So working little by little and starting always with a amazing background, using everything, your hands, paintbrushes, whatever it helps to create a beautiful uh, painting. Yes, of course. And of course water is very important when working with watercolors, so use water and move your paintbrush. Okay, so I hope you can join us in this workshop. This is hosted in a private Facebook group, so the videos are going to be available online forever. No need to download them, and the templates and everything you need to start working on your goddesses is everything there, so you can start working on your paintings right away when you join. And yes, just visit my blog. There you will find the PayPal button, and just after you make your payment, I am going to add you to the Facebook group, and then you can start working on it. Okay, the second workshop I am offering now is the Dark is Beautiful workshop, and this is all about dark skinned beautiful goddesses. So this is a great workshop for you if you struggle with painting dark skin. This is absolutely the right workshop for you. In this workshop I am going to show you my technique to paint beautiful dark skinned goddesses, and all of course step by step, as I said before, in a very easy way to understand videos. You will get templates, you will get a lot of goodies as well, and some amazing free coloring digital books. So, and as you can see, we are going to paint on a dark background as well, and this is going to be very interesting. You are going to learn how to paint a portrait on black background, and this is very important to know when painting dark skinned dolls. And Yes, it's just something I really recommend you to do, to take this workshop, and I am sure you're going to love it as well. So I am going to see you there in classroom, and thank you for your support and for looking at this video. See you there. Bye bye.